Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It's called Let 'Em Know. It is a two-wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And as a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you're interested in dancing along to the music, please watch till the end and also check out the choreographer. And are you ready? Let's go. So this is a two-wall dance. We're going to stand at this wall here. So stand on this side looking in this direction. So let me tell you something about this dance. They have a lot of taps. If you don't do the taps, your timing is going to be off. Taps. Tap speeds up or slow down the dance. So in this instance, we're using the taps to slow down the dance. You gotta have your taps, okay? If you don't use taps, you need to use taps in your life, okay? It will help you out tremendously. All right, so this is what I mean by my taps. So the first thing I'm gonna do is bind to the left. And when I bind to the left, you know me like bind and bind. No, when I bind, I'm a tap. 1 and 2, tap. 3 and 4, tap. That's what I mean about tapping. Get some tapping in your life, okay? So this dance have a lot of taps, okay? So we start with a bind to the left. Left, right, tap. Right, right, tap. So we went to the left, we went to the right. Now we're going to go up on the left. And that's right, we're adding a tap. Left, tap. And then we're going to go right, left. Okay? So let's add that from the top to the left. 1 and 2, tap. 3 and 4, tap. 5 and 6, tap. 7 and 8 and. So before I went up, I still added a tap. Let's do it again. To the left. Let me turn my back to you. So turn your back. Let's dance together. Watch my footwork. I'm doing taps. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Then I'm going to rock up. Okay? So let's go. We're going to do a rocking chair. When we do rocking chair, which is rock up, rock back, I'm a tap. Okay? 7 and 8 and. So I rock up. 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap, 4, tap, 5, 6, 7, and 8. On 8, I'm going to transfer my weight to the right. I'm going to come back and get you. I was just showing you what I was doing with the taps. We're going to do it over again. I didn't teach it, I just showed you. Okay? So we're going to rock up to rock back. That's a rocking chair. And when we do that, we're going to tap. So I went right, left. So we rock up. 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap, 4, tap. So I rock up, tap, rock back, tap, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I transfer my weight on 8. That's important. Put the weight on the right. Okay? So we went 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I was tapping on and. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, and 8. I transfer my weight to the right on 8. Okay. That's all I got for you. I don't know what else to say. All right. Let me turn my back. It's still the best wall here. Because it's a two-wall dance. So we got to make a half turn. So let's do it at this wall. because you can see my footwork that I'm doing right now at this wall. So let's do it from the top. 5. Do you notice that I'm having fun? Yes, I'm having fun. All right, we're going to the left. We're using our taps. We're using our taps. 5, 6, 7, and. You saw that tap? And. 5, 6, 7, and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Transfer on 8. Now, let me explain something to you. So the first part, we're going to the left, we're going to the right, we're going up on the left and up on the right. The second part is the rocking chair. You got to rock forward first. And you already forward. 7 and 8 and. So the last step is on the left. So here you got to put your thinking cap on. Because you want to rock back. Okay? Go forward. 1 and 2. To start the rocking chair, you got to go forward first. You got to rock forward. 1 and 2 and 3. Back, forth. Turn. 5, 6, 7, and 8. You understand that? Okay? So when you go, you rock it, 5 and 6 and 7 and whatever. Right, left. The second part of that is the rocking chair. You gotta rock forward first. So let me tell you show you what I'm talking about. Let's do that bound. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Now we're done. That's the first part. The second part is the rocking chair. I went right, left. The second part is the rocking chair. You got to go forward. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. See, you're already forward from ending the things. But now to start the second part, you got to go forward again. Okay, you understand that? All right. So let's do it from this wall and then we'll move on. Now, the last thing I said was transfer the weight to the right. That means we're doing something on the left. Okay? Let's stay at this wall for right now until we make our half turn. Okay? Let's stay at this wall. 5, 6, 7, and. With them ands, I'm doing the tap. On ands, I'm tapping. Get some taps in your life, especially on and. All right? 5, 6, 7, and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, my weight is on my right. I'm going 1 and 2. That's left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 3 and 4. And 3 and 4. Out, in, out, lift. And 3 and 4. So, left, right, out, wait. Left, right. I can't do it at the tempo. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Out, in, out, lift. There you go. Left, right. Left, right. Out, in, out, lift. Out, in, out, lift. So I go left, right. Out, in, out, lift. There you go. Lift, cross left. Left, right. Right. So when I lift, I cross. Left, right. Right. Okay, so let's add that. Let's review it again. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right, now we're ready to go back to the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you tap on the end? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7. Transfer. It's 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So last step was on my right. So I'm going to skate up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Skate left, skate right. Left, right, left, roll, roll. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? Then I'm going to come back. So I went up left, I'm going to come back right. 5, skate, 5, 6, and then that's where I'm going to make my half turn back. So let's go here. So I skate up left. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, kickstand 7, 8. So I turn on 7, 8. So I go left, right, roll, roll, right, left, kickstand, turn. So kickstand, pick up that right foot, turn back. Soldier turn. Okay? With the right, because when you bring that right down, you bring that right up, half turn back, then you bring that right down. My weight is on the right, and I start the dance over, two-wall dance. All right? So let's do that. I skate up left, right, bring it together, and roll, roll. Come back, skate right, left, take that right back, half turn back, half turn. So, up on the left. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. In the dance. You at your new wall, it's with the tap. Still add your taps. So let's do it at this wall. Let them know. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. My weight is on the left. That's why I gotta go forward. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 cross 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Skate 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. All right, you're gonna have turn to make your half turn back. That's a two-wall dance. You do the same thing you do at the front, you do at the back wall. Same footwork. That is, let them know. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Also, share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.